We made it to night number 2 of Tour and Destruction. We got the car and the truck here again. Brand new tires. We got good tires this time, so hopefully we'll both have good long burnouts and actually put on a show for everybody.
We got pretty much brand new tires for both of them. So
pretty much.
A little worried about what the truck's gonna do.
I was about to say, the car, I'm fine with. I don't know about the truck though. It might be a 3-minute burnout. We might pop some radiator hoses or something.
I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that.
No. if
I see it overheat, I'm gonna stop.
If you see a red line, then yeah. But a red line on that's what, 250, 240, I think.
Oh, it's a good little bit.
If it's anything like my truck, I think it red lines at 2.
In the center, so. Oh yeah, the door's broke.
Yeah, it red lines at 260. So if you see red line 260, turn it off.
So if I see 250, I might.
Dude, you know how many times we've had the CrownVic?
Yeah, but
300.
I gotta drive this home.
Not necessarily. We can throw it on the trailer if we have to. It'll make for a long night, but we can do it.
I'd like to drive it home.
But
we'll see. Hey, you know me though. Once I get out there, it's hard to tell me no and to stop.
It's hard to stop.
So we'll see how it goes.
Either way, we're gonna hang around for a little bit, wait for our cue, and then we're gonna line up and make a hell of a show. So we'll see you then.
Oh.
You know it's spicy when you're on a $120 laptop.
Man, you just said it was 140. What is it?
I went down to about 120 because you said it was 10 years old.
We got 17% battery remaining. Oh, frick.
That'll last you at least 2 days.
Yeah.
The Georgia thing last night.
No, I didn't really think about it, to be honest.
Too worried about the GoPros.
That program looks like you're about to launch a new Minecraft world.
I'm gonna sweat my tits off. You're really gonna sweat your tits off.
God, I hope so.
I feel like it's as hot as it was last night.
I feel like it's hotter.
Really? It might be.
I'll hop out. Oh, Lordy.
Pickup truck down in turn number 4. We got it black. Ford CrownVic with a massive motor in it. They're both J&A Motorsports. Check them out online on YouTube. Great social media stuff. They travel all over the place. J&A Motorsports. You can watch some of their videos of what they do. They do some insane burnouts. And who's ready for a burnout competition? All right, we're going to count down. We got the white pickup down here. We got the white go-getter down here. That's all. Pumpkin head down here in turn 1. On the count, we're going to count down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So you only got one. You have any words to say?
I'm a failure.
Only
I got
one.
both, I guess not. Well, it's been about a week and a half later. The truck and the car are running great. They're back home, sitting on the trailer, ready to go for Bristol. The only thing we really have left to do before we actually take off to Bristol, we just have a couple of modifications we need to make on Victoria. One, we want to make a bigger catch cam because we think we're blowing a lot of oil out from all the crankcase pressure that we're building now. So we're going to reevaluate that. We've already got some aluminum that we're going to try and TIG up into a box and make a bigger catch can. And then we're probably going to have some dash 10 line going off of both valve covers going to that catch can. So between that and then I think we're going to try and make an overflow for our coolant just to see if it helps with the spraying coolant out the bottom. If we don't get to that, we don't get to that, but we're at least going to do the catch can. So we're going to make that in the next video, and then the truck and the car should be both ready to go for Bristol. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a blast. Tour Destruction, thank you so much for letting us come out and rip it at our local track. We hope to see you guys in September. That's the end of this video. We hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you in the next one.